Man nagdamo, tayo man sa inyo, kano malamo man itong hatag kay Maribik. Vic, di ka na. Damo to ka, ano? Okay, anyway, before I will give you the whole of what I will tell you today, let me share to you the words of Ma'am Abane. She called up while we were on the car before we left the church. Siling yan, Nor, paliyog lang po tambal sa mga bata ay hindi ko makadto, no? Give them my best wishes and congratulations for their undertakings. Kaya balaan mo may emergency meeting with ako is about business. May gamay ito mga business. So I'm very, very sorry. Although actually nakuha naging mali siya sa amo ni Ma'am Fernandez last time mo. We were also excited because it's not only your own reunion, pero kami man, ay kung hindi pa kung doon sa panahon, daw hindi kita magkitaan. So, bringing us here makes me feel great, happy, and fulfilled. Great because we were recognized and honored. Imagine, no? Kung gusto agad may ara kasi dyan hindi masama lang, hindi na kilala sa imo. But with your group, bringing us all here together is such a very, very great experience for us, not only for me. And then, happy. Why? Because at last, we see each other again. Sang gina-introduce ka mo na kanina, ahay. We cannot help but recall and reminisce the past, no? Ay, amo na ni sila, mga estudyante na mo sa una, nga mga inosente, mabuot. Uy, mabuot, ginawa kamoy kumpara sa bungi. Not only 3 times, but even more than that. Except sa one section na nga, idol namon talaga teachers. Ano klase mo? Section B naman. Sorry, Section B ha. Pero we love you still. Kasi natural lang ito man individual differences. Kaya lagi ko yung special. That allow me to go to mention your name. Mag-klase kani sa Section B. Buutan sila primero. Pero pantay kada minutos lang na. Pag pangakig mo na kayo na puno ka na may nakungod na sa pangkuan. Wala na iba na nagkakungod pero siguro sa nauna na nila pero may isang nagkakungod. See, we're the death. Mind you, wala sana na iya. As a person, you are very good. I know that. And then, happy because we have heard all about what you are now. And fulfilled at last because at least we have been a part of what you are now. I remember a line from one of the students I have who told me, Ma'am, nakakapasa ko siya bala sa kwan mo, sa accountancy man mo. Ang contents ng iya na card. I am not what I am now without you as one of my mentors. So, amo na bala ko teacher, kabi nyo, bala nyo man na, wala gigamang may nagamang garano, di ba? Ang lives of teachers, but we are rich because there are many people who love us. Ang wala yan, nag-love inyo na lang na yan choice. Ay kung isa, ay marag na, mo na lang nila nga, if you want to please all, you will please none. Pero at least, ang among goal as teachers is to make many lives. Amo na lang ang line nga, it is not the years in your life that matters, but the life in your years that counts. No? Amo na kami na teachers. Kapangakit ka man huwag sa mapuno, mali mo pasensya, but still, we have that love towards you. So knowing mo lang nga, mag-meet kita, hi, sa mga bata na mo sa una, no? Then looking at you, so hindi ko ma-explain ang ako na batyagan, kaya somehow, I know you are all successful in your respective life, happy with your respective family, and of course, fulfilled also in your own way. So, to Maribik and husband, and to everybody, to all of you, because this may not be made possible without everybody's cooperation. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts for bringing us here together. Tani kung lawig pa, kung chimpo galing kay nahuyaman to wala kami, pero totoo, gitya. Naigo, magkato sa hambalin pa rin sisyo. No? Kaya mo gimana, supposedly, mahatag sa anay courtesy call gitman sa office before kita. Pero I know you were so overwhelmed with joy and excitement meeting each other after several years, no? So, basi na panatugunan ni Father. Pero Father is still good. Maamo lang na siya, pero pagkatapos kita ay wala naman na. Wala sa amin sa pinahan ng katatabo. Maaking na sa the moment naking siya. Pero pagkatapos wala lang naman sa iya. And as part of the administration, wala lang na Maribik, we will be appreciating it much if you could share to Father's project. You see how the school had improved after several years, no? Ang long dream court nga wala na siya na materialize kung wala man si Father sinagin nagtinguha. So our next project this time is the putting up of the library sa babaw na dapat ng canteen. Tapos ang dalong canteen area. Tapos ihalin mo na dito ang gini. Ayaw mo na pala, subong may edad ko pala. No? Sadyag na pala. Kung makita ko na kasi yung tinaglayang tabi ko. Makita ko siya, pag manunduman ko, pasalamat ko na kaya itunduman ko na sa dayon. Pero pagkakita ko, sa paano siya man? Hindi ko lagi manunduman ko, nung doon na nagagani, tapat nagig nga wala. Pero after mga minutes lang, manunduman mo naman na. So, ang purpose is the library, ang kababaw ng portion na da. So, amo na subong ang conceive ni Father. So I hope on his behalf, I'm here to ask your help. No? Spare something to the school. I know you are all successful. And then, in our life, we won't be very happy kung dalo kita mo, di ba? If you share, do not count for the returns. It will just come in such time which is not expected. So finally, congratulations to all of you. We are proud of you, and let God always be the center of your life. That is what one of the values the school has incurred to you. Good luck and more reunions to come in the coming years. Thank you very much.